How are you? Today we discuss about 2021 Ardra first pada, second pada, third pada, and fourth pada. See, coming to this 2021 first pada, if you are going to see Ardra first pada, you are going to make a little bit of fightings with your disputes with your brothers. So you have to be careful. And good news is that you are going to buy a land, vehicles. Either you are going to build a house or you are going to buy a flat. It's going to happen, and you are going to postpone for little time. Whatever you want to do a marriage, you want to do any birthday functions like that. Anything is okay. You are going to postpone for this year. That little bit of time. You have a chance to move to one place to another place. Like you are going to shift your home to another home. I mean, if you are going to buy a house, it's happened. Either if you are going to get a promotion, you are going to get a move to another city. Either you are going to buy a new flat, you are going to move there. It happens. It happens in the first padam. But coming to this one, in the main important news is you are going to sometimes you are going to say unexpectedly, yeah, expectedly, for the reason, a good reason, you want to forget a profit or anything. Some lies will be there, some lies will be there, and so who are believing you are going to get a little bit of why is this guy says like this. Okay. And coming to the education, for education, the children education is so good. This is Aradhana about first Pada, do Shiva Abhishekam because of Lord Shiva is born in Aradhana. Coming to Aradhana second Pada, this time 2021 you are going to face your inmates. Whatever you have angry on them, you are going to, I mean, angry on them, you are going to be like that. You are showing to the finger to them, you are did for this month, so they will going to recognize that. Yes. And don't go for any gambling for this year. Okay, if you go for the gambling, you're definitely going to lose the money. Gambling means is stock market also comes in on gambling also, just like a game. And what your wife and you and your husband and you, between the time you have the love and affection going to be rise up just like a flower. And you are going to meet a celebrities, you are going to meet a superiors also. Whatever work you want to do, if you are the employee, that's going to be happen. Rise ups, rise up. And politicians are normal, sometimes facing a little bit, you know. And children based, children going to give you a good news, maybe their marriages, maybe they're going job, they much education based good. Coming to, you are going to visit some place, Kasi Vishwanath temple, or you're going to visit Annavaram, you're going to visit Tirupati, Ahobiram, whatever. You pilgrims you are going to do, you're going to visit a holy places, which one you going to like a lot. And coming to unemployed persons, whatever they want to achieve, whatever they're waiting for this year is going to be happen, going to their wish going to be fulfilled, happens. This is about it. If you want any problems, go to Shiva, do Shiva Abhishekam, that's enough. Coming to the third pada, good news is that who have the enemies to you, they're going to be a friends to you. You can't believe this. Yes, it happened. And out of 100, 70% it happens. But little bit of problems with stomach, it's going to upset and have to taking a medical base happen. For the contractors, they're going to get contracts and going to get achieve the contracts also. The persons who are into various fields, they're going to get little bit of achievement. It's going to be happen this year. And you are going to buy new things like a fridge, a TV, car, or anything. But have to be careful. Some people who are jealous on you, jealous on your development, they're going to show you some, they're going to try to show the mole in yours. Some, the people's looks, whatever say you and say, आंखों का ये सम, हाँ ऐसा है, ऐसा है, ऐसा, इस आदमी इतना डेवलप है, इतना पैसा कमा रहे हैं, ऐसे लोगों को कि आपसे दूर रहे. Why? Because they are going to be show the trying to show the moles. It's not good. It's not good for your more. I mean, your development. Like the maintain distance. Don't go for far, chorus them, because it's going to be rise up, and they try to show you more and more molesting you. But here is at final one, who are going to win? You are going to win. Whatever the barriers you are going to face, you are going to win. That's happened. And whatever if you see, it's confirmly we are going to say all the third path is development is confirmed. Coming to the fourth pada, Arda, your love life is going to be fulfilled, wish going to be happen. But the persons who are doing a jobs have to be careful because of the sudden attack from your superiors. And coming to assets, a little bit of dropping a stone in a water, how it will be, what will be, it's a happiness. But you have to be confident and do whatever you want to do. Yes. Coming to the marriage purpose. Marriage purpose is going to happen. You are going to listen good news is something whom you love, whom you are loving. He is going to be happen for one life. Yes. And some people who are jealous on you, your development base, they you are lasting some peaceness in your mind. So do meditation, avoid them, and stop the persons who are stopping the molesting. You avoid those persons. Coming to the education field, students, if you do hard work, you are going to achieve. And coming to the money base, is the main important for human life. Money rises. Do Lakshmi Puja and it's better, and go for do Shiva Puja because of Ardra birth star is God Shiva's. So do Shiva Puja is going to give the better life to them. Bye. This is the Ardra first charan, second charan, third charan, fourth charan is completed Gemini. And 2020 we want all the best and happy new year for advance. Okay, subscribe me, forward to friends and family members. Bye.